Temperature monitoring shouldn't be complicated, and with Opuz, it isn't. Welcome to Opuz software, where remote temperature monitoring is simple, clear, and effortless from day one. Right away, you'll notice the interface is clean and easy to read. Even with thousands of data points streaming in, everything just makes sense at a glance. Every sensor is linked directly to an asset record, so finding the information you need takes seconds, not minutes. No digging, no spreadsheets, just click and go. Each sensor records temperature every single minute. That's up to 1,440 readings per day, per sensor. And Opuz handles all of it automatically. The system can even display your compliance range visually. Here, the green zone shows when temperatures are exactly where they should be, so you can instantly see what's safe and what needs attention. Behind the scenes, Opuz crunches the numbers for you, calculating the average, highest, and lowest readings automatically. No manual calculations, no guesswork. Need to check last week? Last month? A specific day? Just apply a date filter and your view updates instantly. On the right, you'll see the weekly temperature profile. This shows the average temperature for every hour across the week, giving you a clear picture of usage patterns. So you can quickly spot when demand peaks and when systems are working hardest. And it's not just about visibility, it's about action. Administrators can set smart triggers to automatically raise alerts or hazards when conditions aren't met. For example, if a sensor doesn't reach temperature for more than 2 days, the right people are notified straight away. No chasing, no missed risks, just proactive protection. And because nobody wants to log in and review every sensor manually, we automated that too. At the end of each month, Opuz analyzes all sensors across your building and generates a clear, professional PDF report, complete with highs, lows, and any live alerts. So you stay compliant, informed, and audit-ready, without the admin. Simple interface, powerful insights, total control. That's temperature monitoring, the easy way. Opuz, making temperature monitoring straightforward.